What's up, YouTube? Vengeful Sorrow here once again, and today we've got a Natty Daddy, 8% alcohol by volume, and a 24-ounce can. Never had Natty Daddy before, but gonna shotgun this, and hopefully it goes down pretty smooth. Now, before we start, you may notice my face is a little bit red. I was at a concert all day yesterday, and got sunburned pretty bad, so I'm gonna be peeling pretty bad in a few days here, but let's get started on this shotgun. It's the first time I've had alcohol since the Jameson's whiskey chug. So I'm kind of looking forward to it. Alright. Smells like beer, so hopefully it goes down easy. Alright. On your mark. Get set. Vengeful Sorrow. Whew, that hit me pretty hard. God damn. Fuck. Empty can once again. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.